study, ranging from different academics. And it was through His Excellency the President's support that we have the core. That's why the international school didn't waste any time to present these materials to the Gambian people.
Samuel Cheng, the Taiwanese top diplomat in the Gambia, who witnessed the handing over ceremony, is optimistic that the donated materials coming from one of Taiwan's finest institutions have the potential to bring to fruition numerous educational goals.
I'm very glad to know that this donation from Taiwan, Taipei American School, because as my understanding from very beginning, this school is a very high class school. All equipment, very good, excellent. It's the first class.
Two reasons made Permanent Secretary Babkar Boy particularly pleased with the gifts.
I've been to Taiwan before, and I know the type of materials that the schools in in Taiwan, have. And anything that I'm sure is collected from the schools for the benefit of our children in this country, I was positive that it will be, first-class materials. And without even seeing what is in the boxes, Ambassador Cheng is attesting to that. So I was very happy for that, and also for the fact that knowing, Ambassador Jaju and the way he has a passion for education.
PS Boy hailed the Taiwan government and the Gambian embassy in Taiwan for the foresight in bettering education in the Gambia, a development he said, if nurtured, would help fast-track the attainment of the country's education-related MDGs, one of them, quality. Louis Mendy, GRTS.
Well, over 20 staff of the Gambia Revenue Authority recently underwent a 3-week training program designed to enhance their knowledge of basic practical operations and core operational functions of tax administration system, among a host of other related topics. Azatumane has more in this report.
In its bid to maintaining and nurturing the skills and knowledge of its staff, GRA, in collaboration with the UNDP, organized a 3-week intensive training for some members of staff for effective and efficient service delivery in revenue collection. This training is being implemented under the project Strengthening Proper Policy, Planning and Budgeting Capacities of National and Local Level Institutions, rooted in a human development perspective.
Development plans cannot be implemented without resources. Therefore, resource mobilization becomes a critical necessity if development is to take place. An efficient and effective tax revenue collection as a main source of public financing is becoming increasingly top priority to most countries, particularly the Gambia.
The GRA Commissioner General commended the UNDP for funding the training while stressing the significance attached to the capacity building.
The GRA places high premium on building the capacity of the staff through training. This is not the first of its kind. We are training, and we have been training, and we wish to train a lot and a lot more. This is very cardinal in the successes we continue to register in our revenue collection efforts. We are revenue collectors. We want to be successful. How can we be successful? We want to be trained and apply the training modules on the ground so that we can collect our revenue in the most efficient manner and with professionalism.
The program forms part of efforts aimed at strengthening the human resources base of the Gambia's revenue collecting body.
The improvement of the professional skills of the staff through such improved trainings will increase the efficiency of the tax administration with a view to improve tax compliance, taxpayer service, and reducing costs. I have been reliably informed that this particular training program was designed to target 25 critical staff of mainly the domestic taxes department as well as other staff from other departments.
The Finance and Economic Affairs Deputy Permanent Secretary challenged participants and the management of the Gambia Revenue Authority to put the skills and knowledge learned into practice and as well as make capacity building a continuous process.
We are here because we all know GRA has a mandate to fulfill. But it will require skilled personnel to be able to do this. The performance of GRA in revenue collection depends on you doing things the right way at the right time. Therefore, you must be versed in the process and procedures as well as the policies and the laws governing the activities and decisions you make.
It was agreed that the skills and knowledge acquired from this program would enable the participants to successfully carry out their duties diligently in helping mobilize much-needed revenue, bearing in mind that there is need for personal commitment and passion for the job in order to succeed in implementing the various laws that govern revenue collection. For GRTS News, I am Aissatou Mane.
The Gambia is among 3 African countries to be selected as winners of the Honoring Resolve Award for the country's high-level performance in the area of access to reproductive health and reliable referral system for efficient health service delivery. The Honorable Minister of Health and Social Welfare, Balagaba Jahumpa, is in Geneva where he is expected to receive the award on behalf of the government of the Gambia. Earlier, our Fatou Jassé sat down with Modun Jai, Director of Health Promotion and Education.
The Minister of Health and Social Welfare, Honorable Balagaba Jahumpa, and then delegates from the Minister of Health are currently attending the 66th World Health Assembly. And in that assembly, there's also going to be a very, very important ceremony, which is the 2013 Resolve Award ceremony. And in this 2000 award, ceremony, the Gambia is going to be awarded a prize, a sort of an award. And this award is going to be received by the Honorable Minister on behalf of His Excellency, Sir Professor Dr. Yaya Ejeje Jammeh, the President of the Republic of the Gambia. And because of the fact that the Gambia have registered a lot of gains in the areas of reproductive health and also in the areas of provision of affordable and reliable referral system for healthcare delivery system. This is why the country has been selected with Zambia and Kenya. So Gambia is going to receive, and the Minister of Health and Social Welfare is currently in Geneva, who is going to receive the prize, the award on behalf of His Excellency, the President of the Republic of the Gambia.
Okay, what does this mean to the Ministry of Health and Social Welfare?
It means that we need to strengthen the sustained gains we have registered in the areas of reproductive and child health, and also in the areas of referral system, provision of affordable and reliable referral system, because we know our referral system is compared to none in the sub-region, because the Riders for Health is really supporting and working very closely with the Minister of Health, and they are providing this transport and also making sure that patients are evacuated from one level to the other without any delay, and this is why the country has been recognized for this particular achievement in this area. And also we have access to free reproductive and child health services in the country, which is also based on the President's support to the health sector by providing free healthcare services for women and also children under the ages of 5.
News there, and that's Modun Jai, Director of Health Promotion and Education, speaking with GRTS's Fatou Jassé on tomorrow's 2013 Resolve Award ceremony in Geneva, Switzerland. The ceremony will be streamed live on the web and can be watched at www.aspen-institute, as in ASPEN institute.org/live. From that, we take our first break, and when we come back, we'll take a look at the international news. Stay tuned in.
association ñoo oote fas kene sumbu ci ngandum programme ku ñu ko nettalil nga rëccu. It's a grand spectacular upmarket banquet dinner, grand dance and fashion show of the year under the distinguished Grand Chief patronage of Her Excellency the First Lady Madam Zainab Jammeh.